Alright, guys, we're packing.
Look.
We're packing
Look at me.
for our camping adventure. And Jacob is getting a lot of clothes.
We have to sleep clothes 4 days.
Diapers for days.
For nighttime and for daytime.
Right.
So when you get the honors to take them to the back.
So getting ready. We have our covers. We're getting ready today, Saturday. But over here. They got.
Look. Come at me.
Uh-oh. Where are we going? Oh, we gotta pack up Christopher's bag now.
We can show you my new room.
Oh yeah, Mommy went on a cleaning rampage
And
in
this is my
Christopher's room.
And you don't know my toy sets? You don't know?
No?
I will show you. This is where I keep my plushies. And you ready to see something?
Yeah, Mommy did a good job here.
Yeah, this one is the Super Mario one. And this one is the Crash Pop one.
So we're getting to pack, getting ready. Also, we're prepping the room because
Hey, this one fast and fast.
my mom is coming with my dad. So we're gonna be sleeping here. So, alright, catch you guys later. Morning. Mommy's driving again. Jacob's actually wearing the shoes that we struggled last week. Hi, Jacob. And there's Chris.
Okay, is this how it works?
Yeah. So here you're going to turn. Hold on. Mommy's running. I gotta be right back.
For a sign. Some people are always looking for a sign. John 6:30, so they asked Jesus, "What sign will you give that we may see and believe you?"
Okay, fine.
Chris, say hi to the vlog.
Hi. This is amazing.
There's a baby.
Go into the water. Go into the water.
Anybody else come?
She doesn't just let anything fly.
Where'd that baby go?
I'm following her. I'm following her.
Yo.
Boop.
Where you going, Miss Thing?
Oh. On the second clue.
On the thingy. Hydrated.
We're on our way home.
Yeah, and there's
So we stopped by Little Scenic Route. Come here, Chris, look.
Daddy, that is a real life Lexus fence.
Yeah.
It's a real life one from Jurassic Park.
Yeah. Good morning. It's a wonderful Monday morning. I'm on alone. It's okay. Just came from the gym, heading back home. Today's packing day. Got a lot of errands to run. So, 7 o'clock in the morning. So the kids are still sleeping, everybody's still sleeping. So, just wanted to say hi. Let's get this ball rolling. So, pack up the car. We have to change the oil of the car. As we're getting her hair done, we gotta go pick up medicine. We gotta take Jacob to chemo. It's a long day. Tomorrow morning we're off to Hershey. So I'll catch you later when the kids are awake. I know Chris is excited. So see you guys. We're going camping tomorrow.
Daddy?
We're going camping tomorrow. We'll catch you tomorrow. We'll take you on a road trip. And
Ow, my back.
long day today. Long day.
Oh, Lagos?
It's gonna be daily. I'm gonna try to do daily videos because I'm gonna be editing on my phone. I'm not gonna take my laptop.
Lagos, look at my peak.
And let's see how it goes. I was supposed to get a microphone for the phone, but Amazon messed up. So I'm gonna try to ship it to camping, so we'll have it Wednesday.
Okay.
It's okay. Yes, tomorrow's gonna be like a lot
Lagos.
unpacking. We're leaving at 5 o'clock in the morning.
The Lagos logo very pink. It's
So catch you guys later. Peace.